Don't you wanna be free?
My name is Holly Norwick. I ride 2005 Dyna Custom Trike. I've been on the back of a motorcycle since I was this big. It's something I had always wanted, but my dad was a very practical man and he liked different things than I did. So I never really anticipated getting my own Harley. But when the opportunity arose, and then I don't know, this clearly was created for me to ride. And when we found it and it was a Harley, oh, goodness, it was just the best thing I'd ever seen in my life. And as you can see from the bike, it's pink, and the paint job indicates breast cancer survivor. I'm a breast cancer survivor. And this year marks my 10-year cancer-free moment. And so my partner got me this bike in celebration of always wanting to ride and my 10-year cancer-free moment. So we're celebrating together that way. When I had breast cancer 10 years ago, I had 3 tiny kids, and they're now big kids, and I have 2 littles at home. But logistically, it wasn't going to work to be able to start riding. And as the kids grew and I transitioned in life to a different job and a different place, it started to become a possibility. I had always wanted to be the driver of my own bike, particularly a Harley-Davidson. And so when this happened, I was over the moon, and I have loved every moment of it. And to be able to have a sort of a social place to go to, like I'm now a member of the Harley's owners group nationally, and I just handed my paperwork in to our friends here at the Hartford Chapter. So I'm learning all of this new stuff about being part of the family. Being 10 years cancer free is a whole new lease on life. Lots of different transitions in my life turned me to this point, and now I'm really excited to see where the road takes me. Yep.
What's the number one go-to question you get?
They ask me if it's mine. Yeah. I'm also a pastor. And so the first time I rode her to church Sunday morning and parked her in my usual pastor spot, there was a lot of excitement around it. Questions like, how long have you been riding? We didn't know this. And is that really your bike? All of those sorts of things, which I anticipated as a new rider to be asked. It's been an absolute thrill just talking with all of the already members of the Hartford Chapter and learning some of the ropes and some of the people and some of the opportunities that we have as a group to be able to do together. And anything that I can do to support this chapter or whatever we are doing, of course, for breast cancer, whatever you need, I'll be part of that. But to be able to have it, and because she is so deliberately representative of something that means so much to me and so many people in this world, I love that it's a Harley, that it's pink, that it's breast cancer, that people are seeing me ride around and starting, oh yeah, that's Holly. And then, oh, that's the pastor of that church. And then it's starting to connect the dots. And so in town, people are starting to recognize me when I'm driving places. The openness that I have experienced, sometimes those who aren't familiar with motorcycle culture are a little like they don't know what to do with you when you ride up on a motorcycle, and there's some preconceptions. But I'll tell you, when I'm at Stop and Shop or I'm somewhere, people from every category you can think of will come up because it seems to be more of an inviting over. They'll come up and say, wow, look, and they'll look and all of those sorts of things. And it just breaks down categories. It just breaks down boundaries, and people who wouldn't ordinarily talk to you or come up to you, this becomes a focal point for people to come together. As soon as I got that green light, man, you can't keep me. Like, I'll walk my kid to school, come back and ride the bike to work. I'm gonna customize her a little bit more. I'd love to put a different touring on, or find passenger arms that kind of come out, because my little one is 6 and she's begging to get on this bike. Like but she has the exact helmet that I have, so they're matching, and girl is ready. She's got a motorcycle jacket in her little 6-year-old size. Like, she cannot wait to do this. I'll try it out with my family here at Hartford Harley first and do some of those rides, but something big would be great. Hopefully in the future we could connect with the church that I'm serving and do a drive-through bike blessing for people, whatever we do. Anything I can do to support Harley, to support breast cancer, and to just connect people would be, I think, her purpose.